Chikang time, narito na naman po ang inyong Chikang teacher. Ngayon, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay mathematical expression. Ito po ay nasa quarter 2 module 4 ng Mathematics 7. After going through this lesson, you are expected to simplifying numerical expression using PEMDAS, and we will evaluate algebraic expression for given values of the variables. So, what is mathematical expressions? So, we have to identify what are the numerical expression. Pag sinabi pong numerical expression, it consists of constant, operation symbols, and sometimes grouping symbols. O, naalala niyo po ba ano ang tawag sa constant? Pag sinabing constant, numbers. So, ito po ay merong numbers, may operation symbol, may plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Then, minsan, meron din po siyang tinatawag na grouping symbols. In simplifying numerical expression, meron tayong mga rules na dapat tandaan. Number 1, we have to remove grouping symbols like parenthesis, bracket, braces, by simplifying first the enclosed expression starting from the innermost pair. Tandaan natin, uunahin po natin yung mga grouping symbols natin mula sa pinaka-loob. Next one is simplify expression with exponent. Next is perform multiplication and division from left to right, whichever comes first. And then last is we have to perform all addition and subtraction from left to right. Naalala niyo po ba yung tinatawag nating PEMDAS nung tayo ay mga elementary? Yung P po is for the grouping symbol or yung parenthesis. Pwedeng parenthesis yun, pwedeng bracket, and then braces. And then yung E po doon ay para sa exponent. And then yung M at D ay para naman po sa multiplication and division, whichever comes first. Basta tandaan natin, ang pagsasagot po natin ay mula sa kaliwa papunta sa kanan. Ano man po ang mauna sa kanilang dalawa. Ganun din po ang ating addition and subtraction. So, kung ano man po ang mauna, mula sa kaliwa papunta sa kanan. Tandaan natin, PEMDAS. Okay? So, let us have this example. So, 18 minus the quantity of 15 plus 6 divided by 3. So, the first one is we have to remove the grouping symbols like yung parenthesis. Oh, as you can see, meron po tayong parenthesis. Uunahin po natin. So, 15 plus 6. So, magiging 18 minus, so 15 plus 6 ay 21. Okay? Next one po is we have to simplify expression with the exponent. Eh, wala naman po tayong exponent, di ba? So, ililive na po natin yan. Pupunta na tayo sa pangatlong rule. Perform multiplication and division from left to right, whichever comes first. So, kung mapapansin po natin, meron tayong division, which is 21 divided by 3. And what is 21 divided by 3? Yes, that is 7. So, 21 divided by 3. So, maiiwan lang din po yung 18 minus then 7. And then, perform all addition and subtraction from left to right. So, ngayon, 18 minus 7. And what is 18 minus 7? Yes, that is equals to 11. So, 18 minus the quantity of 15 plus 6 divided by 3 po ay equals kay 11. So, let us have another example. So, in number 2, we have 9 plus 6 divided by 3. So, babalikan po natin yung rule. Yung number 1, we have to remove the grouping symbol. So, since wala pong grouping symbol, i-leave na po natin yan. Next one is number 2, simplify expression with exponent. Wala rin po may exponent. So, doon na tayo sa number 3. Perform multiplication and division from left to right. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung 6 divided by 3. And what is 6 divided by 3? Yes, that is 2. So, we have 9 plus 2. And what is 9 plus 2? So, doon na po tayo sa number 4. So, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Okay, next, number 3. So, 4 plus 3 times 2. So, ano unahin natin? 4 plus 3 ba? Yes, uunahin po muna natin yung may grouping symbol o yung tinatawag, or pwede rin na multiplication. So, since meron po tayong parenthesis at wala siyang operation, ang ibig sabihin, imumultiply natin yung 3 kay 2. So, iiwan lang natin yung 4 plus 3 times 2 is 6. And now, we have to perform all addition and subtraction from left to right. So, 4 plus 6 equals 10. So, another example is, so 12 minus 3 cube. So, since wala po tayong grouping symbol, so ililive na po natin yan. Second, simplify expression with exponent. So, sino ang may exponent? Yung 3. So, uunahin po natin yung 3 cube. Ano ba ibig sabihin? 3 times 3 po ba? Hindi. Kasi, ibig sabihin, ilang beses natin imumultiply yung base. So, ang base po natin ay 3 at 3 beses siyang imumultiply. So, 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So, therefore, that would be 12 minus 27. And then, i-apply po natin yung subtraction ng integers. Diba sa subtraction ng integers, 12 minus 27 ay yung change operation. Then, get the opposite ng pangalawang number. So, 12 minus 27, the answer is negative 15. So, let us have another example. So, number 5. 15 divided by 3 times 3 squared minus the quantity of 5 plus 2 cubed. So, ang sabi, una daw is to remove the grouping symbols. At pwede na rin po nating isabay yung sa exponent. Since dun sa grouping symbol ay naka-exponent po ang unahin natin. So, yung nasa labas ay pwede na rin po nating umpisahan. So, ang 3 squared po ay equal kay 9. 3 squared, ibig sabihin ay 3 times 3. Yung 2 cube naman po is 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Ayan, so binaba lang po yung 15 divided by 3 times ang 3 squared ay equal kay 9 minus 5, binaba ang 5 plus ang 2 cube po ay equal kay 8. Next one is to remove the grouping symbol. So, unahin po natin yung 5 plus 8 and that would be equals 13. So, binaba lang po natin yung 15 divided by 3 times 9 minus ang 5 plus 8 ay equal kay 13. And then, we have to perform the multiplication and division from left to right, whichever comes first. So, since ang nauna po dito ay division, so unahin natin yung division. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then, times 9 minus 13. And then, we have to perform the multiplication. So, 5 times 9 is 45 minus 13. And 45 minus 13 is equal to? Yes, that is equal to 32. So, therefore, 15 divided by 3 times 3 squared minus the quantity of 5 plus 2 cubed is equal to 32. Basta tatandaan lang po natin palagi yung tinatawag nating PEMDAS. So, let us have now another example for numerical expression. So, last example is 2 plus 3 times the quantity 6 divided by 2 plus 8 times 5 divided by 4 minus 20. So, ano daw uunahin natin? So, ang uunahin po natin ay yung nasa loob. So, i-remove po natin yung grouping symbols natin. So, unahin natin yung nasa loob. Ang meron po tayo is the division and multiplication. So, from left to right. So, ano pong gagawin? So, next, we have 2 plus 3. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 8 times 5 is 40 divided by 4 minus 20. Saan po galing yung 3? Galing yan sa 6 divided by 2. And yung 8 times 5 naman po ay 40. So, next. So, since may grouping symbol pa po, pwede pa siya na 40 divided by 4. So, 40 divided by 4 is 10. So, binabalang po natin yung 2 plus 3 times the quantity 3 plus, and then yung 40 divided by 4 ay 10 po, minus 20. Next is yung nasa loob pa rin po na 3 plus 10, and that would be 13. So, magiging 2 plus 3 times the quantity 13 minus 20. So, since may grouping symbol pa po, ibig sabihin, yung 13 ay imumultiply natin kay 3. So, 13 times 3 is 39. So, yan. Binabalang din po natin yung 2 plus 3 times 13 ay 39 minus 20. So, perform all addition and subtraction from left to right. So, 2 plus 39 is 41 minus 20 is 21. Sana ay naintindihan nyo po ang ating numerical expression. Basta huwag nyo kakalimutan yung tinatawag nating PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Okay? So, let us continue with our mathematical expression, which is the algebraic expression. Sa algebraic expression po, it is consist of single variable, a product of a constant, and a variable or more terms connected by plus or minus sign. So, dito naman po, meron na tayong makikita mga variable o yung mga letters na ginagamit natin from A to Z. Pwede siyang product, ibig sabihin magkasama yung constant at variable. So, kapag ganun po, ang ating operation ay multiplication, na hinahati siya ng plus or minus. So, let us continue to how we can evaluate an algebraic expression. So, given yung number 1, so let us say A plus B minus C. So, ano pong dapat natin gawin? Kung may value, if A daw ay equals kay 5, B equals 9, and C equals 10. Ang gagawin lamang po natin ay papalitan natin tong mga value na to. Si A, ang ipapalit natin ay 5. Si B naman po, ang ipapalit natin ay 9. At si C, ang ipapalit natin kay 10. So, magiging ang A ay 5 plus, ang B po ay 9, and then minus, ang C natin ay 10. Tandaan natin ha, hindi napapalitan ang operation na meron sila. And then, after that, na mapalitan na natin, yung mga value ng variable ay i-apply na po natin yung PEMDAS. So, since wala na siyang parenthesis at exponent, wala rin pong multiplication at division, so mag-start na po tayo kay addition at subtraction. So, 5 plus 9 is 14 minus 10. And 14 minus 10 equals 4. So, another example, paano naman po kung ganito? We have 3x plus 2y plus 5. Ang x natin ay equals kay 2 at ang y natin ay equals kay 4. Tandaan po natin na kapag magkasama ang constant at variable, kagaya ng 3x, ang operation niya ay multiplication. So, kapag pinalitan natin siya, so magiging 3 times 2. So, plus 2 times 4 plus 5. So, yung 3x, ito na po yun, yung 3 times 2. Yung 2y naman ay 2 times 4. So, gagamitin ulit natin ang PEMDAS since walang parenthesis, walang grouping siya. So, doon na tayo sa multiplication. So, multiply natin si 3 times 2 at ang 3 times 2 ay 6. Plus, ang 2 times 4 ay 8 plus 5. And then, doon na po tayo sa addition. So, 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 5 and 14 plus 5 ay equals kay 19. So let us have another example. So 2 times the quantity x plus y all over z. So ang value ng x natin ay equal kay 6, ang y ay negative 2, at ang z ay positive 2. So ang gagawin po muna natin ay papalitan muna natin sila. So yung 2, yung times sa quantity, ang x natin ay 6, plus ang y natin ay negative 2, over ang z natin ay 2. So since may grouping symbol pa po, uunahin natin yung nasa loob, yung 6 plus negative 2. So dapat ay natutunan talaga natin yung operation ng integers. And 6 plus negative 2 is 4. So 2 times sa quantity 4 over 2. So ngayon, multiply muna po tayo bago tayo mag-divide. So 2 times 4 is 8 over 2. And then, division na po tayo. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So there, ibig sabihin, ang 2 times the quantity x plus y over z ay equal po kay 4. So let us have another example. So given yung a daw ay equals kay 6, ang b natin ay equal kay 4, at ang c po natin ay equals kay negative 2. So let us evaluate 2a plus 3b. So papalitan po natin yung a at yung b. So magiging 2 times ang a natin ay 6 plus 3 times ang b natin ay 4. So unahin natin ang multiplication. 2 times 6 is 12, and then plus 3 times 4 is also 12. And now we have to use the addition. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Another example. So a times the quantity 2a plus 4b minus c. So palitan natin yung mga value. So that would be ang a po natin ay 6 times the quantity 2 times ang a natin ay 6. Ayan, 2a is 2 times 6 plus ang 4b natin ay 4 times 4 minus ang c natin ay negative 2. And then, uunahin po natin yung nasa loob. So 6. So 2 times 6 is 12 plus 4 times 4 is 16 plus, bakit po naging plus? Kasi negative times negative, it will become positive 2. Naalala nyo dun sa integers? Okay, so magpatuloy na po tayo. So unahin natin yung nasa loob pa rin po ng ating bracket. So ibababa natin ang 6. Then 12 plus 16 is 28 plus 2 is 30. Okay, and then 6 times 30 na po tayo, and that would be equals 180. Naway marami tayong natutunan ngayong araw na ito. Naway naintindihan natin kung paano tayo mag-evaluate ng numerical expression at algebraic expression. Iyan ang ating matsayang kwentuhan. Hanggang sa muli, huwag kalimutan i-click ang like, share, at subscribe. Paalam! God bless!